Thank you everybody for joining. This is Horta, Horta Creative, coming at you live, Laguna Hills, California, South Orange County. It is Saturday night, May 29th. I got a good stream for you coming up. Gonna be working on some logos, design till I drop. It's probably gonna be about an hour. Right now I'm just working on my own effects. Give me a shout out in the chat. I'll shout right back. Send me a text message if you like. 949-648-7719. Send me an email, ed@edhorta.com, if you'd like some graphic design work. I also do motion graphics for your brand. Right now I'm just messing around here. There you go. Yeah, okay, cool. So now I'm gonna hide these over here. Let me show you what I'm working on here. I'm gonna transition over to the other screen here, which is my secondary monitor. And I got some effects that I recorded on my own today, just a little while ago. Need to get myself into the creating moods, so I need to ramp myself up with something that's totally different, totally unique. It's an exercise that I like to do where I take a random project, random task, shouldn't take too long. See if I can achieve some great effects with it. So here we go. Just watch me work. Yeah, there we go. Oh, you guys aren't hearing that. Hold on a second. This thing only previews this far. How come? Maybe that's how long I'm saying that. More, fool. I gotta preview the whole way. Nah. Not this one. Next. Stop. Sure, what looks nice right there. See, I see the waveforms right there. That one looks a nice little gap there. I have no idea what this was. It's probably all over. There you go. The last one's probably the best one. Let's check this out. Oh, that's it. Let me know in the comments if you can, or let me know in the chat if you can hear me on my microphone. This is an old Beats headphone monitor. Just random stuff. Hold on a second, just speaking to somebody right now. Alright, cool. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and make a commitment that I'm going to use this right here. So what I'll do is split this layer up. I'm just moving the playhead at that point. Go to edit. Go to split layer. So lazy to do it this way. But that's the name of the game. Do it quick. Do it fast. High efficiency. And you should be able to achieve something really nice. Alright, so I think that's probably not as important as figuring out the other ones over here. Just bear with me. 440, 420. So this one here I think is probably 904. Where's 904? I don't have the 904. Which one's this one? 46. Right now what I'm doing, folks, is I'm trying to track down some clips that I took. Trying to get some audio from it. Take a look at the audio waveform here. I am using After Effects. You can use Audition as well. Okay, cool. Looking for some pretty waveforms. I'm not a musician, but I know what I want, and this is what I want right here. Let's see. Hang on a second. This one right here. This is the one I want right here. Whew. Oh, goodness. Edit. Split layer. Okay. I think what I want to do is this. Kind of like that. Hold on right here. Okay. Trying to go for high fidelity here. Oh goodness. Almost dropped my shot glass. That would have been a major party foul. Speaking of party fouls, I remember a party foul from the coolest guy in high school. Kind of like the Fonz sort of guy, you know? Everybody was like, oh wow, he's so cool, he's so rad, you know? And all the ladies were all like, oh yeah, you know, such a heartthrob, blah, blah, blah. Mr. Smooth was at a kickback, intimate kickback with some friends or whatever, and we pour, I think it was a shot glass of some really expensive tequila. Mr. Smooth drops it. Party foul. Oh my gosh. Please tell me that there's more to the legend than just some clumsiness. So always be conscious of yourself and others and objects around you if you are trying to pursue a legend status. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is previewing the audio. You'll see what I'm trying to do in a while here. What is this? View masks. Hey, how about previewing more than that? Where's the preview? What do they call it? They call it something in After Effects. Go to the window here. Preview, right. Why wasn't it there? Spacebar, cache before feedback, before playback, play from, start of range, current, skip, nothing, full screen, if caching short. Why not? Play around. Come on, play something, please. Right here. Play. Alright. Alright, cool. I can take all that into Audition and fine tune it. What I want to hear is the beginning part. So I think what I gotta do is... This is funny. Hold on. How about you shut the fuck up? You go right over here. I don't think that was the order I wanted to go. Right, I think this one. I think I want to. Hold on a second. No. I want to overlap this one to like about there. And then I think literally like this. This is how they make music. How about this? Look like this, like this. Copy paste. Shift it, folks. Shift it. And then watch this. Copy paste the whole thing. Copy paste right over here, but then do it from no. Hang on a second. Yeah. See, it knows from here, right? Oh, yeah, it's kind of working. I didn't do the others, though. I thought it would. Watch, 420, 46, 46. And then 420, 40, 420, 40. So this one right here. Why isn't it playing though? Where's the other 46? Which one is the one that's not 904? 904 is quiet right now. 40, 20, 40, 20, 40, 40, 390. Nah, I can't be these right here. Why aren't these playing then? Just a moment, folks. You're tuned into Ed Horta Creative. Working on problem solving a quick sound issue here in After Effects. And that issue being human error. Me. That is I. Was probably shouldn't be working on this task using this program. But this is Ed Horta Creative, Saturday night. I want to have a little fun. I want to see if I can get this figured out real quick. No, but where's that glow? Where is that? Oh, yeah, this is pain. Pain, who's pain? This one here, 420. This one. What is that one, the 20? Here? No, 20 is not that one. 46 is which one? Well, what the heck, man? 46? Come on, 46? Where's 46? I don't see 46. Let me know in the chat if you see 46. 949-648-7719. If you want to text me, where is this layer? It's this one right here? Hang on a second. I'm opening this up. I'm opening up the waveform. Why can't I hear it over here? Yeah, I guess it's here. But this is not playing. It's not playing. Let me know if you can hear it in the chat, folks. 949-648-7719. If you want to send me a text message, I will respond. Ed Horta Creative. Send me an email, ed@edhorta.com, if you are interested in graphic design. I also do motion graphics, and I do package design. You are tuned into my live stream. This is Saturday night live stream. Okay. Well, it's not really what I'm looking for, but why is there an extra one? Then fine, take out the extra one. Hold on. Oh, I see, it does. I think I say cache before playback. Start our range. Cool. I think this is cool now. Splice this up. Let me know in the chat at horta.com. Just go to horta.com. Google search Ed Horta. Let me know what you see in the chat. Send me a text message 949-648-7719. Coming at you live. Let me know if you can hear me on my microphone here. I am using a microphone. Here, let me go into the studio settings right here. See if this is working. Mic. Look at this. All right, I don't think anybody can hear me very well right now. So I'm going to try to change that. Bear with me just a moment. See what I got going on here. Check out your notifications. Yes. Yeah, sure. Why don't I go into that right now? While I'm on air, while I am streaming. If you are not streaming, you are nobody. What? Controversial opinion of the week. Let me know what you think. So, here's the deal. I've been told that if you're trying to find a job, try to find a creative job, you need to have followers. You need to not just be able to drive the software, not just be able to mic auxiliary audio too. How about this? That one, number 2. Secondary auxiliary, how about none? How about disabled? Right now, the audio is only coming from this microphone. This microphone. It seems like it is coming in loud and clear. I can see here from the levels, it's coming in. All right, great. So just to introduce myself, everybody, this is Ed. EdHorta.com is my website. I am a graphic designer based out of Laguna Hills, California, South Orange County. Tonight it is May 29th. It is Saturday night. Saturday night streams coming at you live. I'll be broadcasting my work. Going to be working on some logos. This is considered a test broadcast, a test stream. Still getting used to it. I'm just streaming away and getting used to the software I'm using. So I am using this software called OBS Studio. This is free software. This is something that you can use to stream sources, multiple sources, such as this. Let me show you what I'm working on here. This is the After Effects program, and what I'm doing here is doing a very rough cut of some audio samples that I put together, and I want to see if I can loop it and make it sound like a song here. But let's see. Now what happens if I try to put this very last piece of audio, but then kind of... That's going to sound very weird. This is why I'm not a musician, folks. If you can help me out, send me an email, ed@edhorta.com, and see if it actually... How about this? Look, what is this? What is this exactly? Why does it just stop there, I wonder? Yeah, see, look, now what if I just do this part? Look, copy paste from here, like as in there, all the way up to here. Hold on, try again, right here. So let's say I'm totally cool with this audio. Whoa, undo. Copy paste, and I'm just gonna shuffle this on right over here. Not sure if you notice what is going on here in After Effects when you copy and paste a group of layers. As you can see there, it doesn't exactly copy it. It mirrors it. Mirrors it, really? Yeah, it looks like it's mirrored. Let me know in the chat what you think, or send me an email, ed@edhorta.com, on why the copy paste function in After Effects causes the tracks to be mirrored. Mirrored. That's interesting. You can also send me a text message, 949-648-7719. I need to remember to speak into my microphone. Let me know if it sounds better when I am speaking through the microphone. Let's look through the chat. Let's see, trying to find the chat here. What's going on here? What happened to the... Hey. Oh, yeah, it doesn't help if I'm using the command option there. What is this? Please check video resolution. Current resolution. Not sure what that means, but looks like I'm coming in loud and clear. Three playbacks. Three playbacks. I'm not sure who that is. Sandra Torres. Sandra Torres just sent me a thumbs up. Thank you very much for tuning into my live stream. Giving shout outs to those who are tuning into my live streams. So thank you very much for that. And back to the audio that I have going on here. I'm just going to see if this is going to work out here. Hasn't finished previewing. Kind of, sort of, yeah. Alright, well, check this out. I'm going to do file save. Living dangerously. I'm saving the project after I'm done with the first draft. Alright. I'm not going to be lazy tonight. I'm going to call this night stream intro. Tell you what, I really don't like the silence here, so I'm going to be playing some music. Now, I don't want to be flagged for copyright, so I'm going to place it in an inconspicuous area. You might not be able to hear it, but I'm certainly going to be able to groove to it. Let me give this a shot here. What's going on here? List of other devices connected to your operating systems, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, sure. Let's do this here. System default input. Default input, no. Default input is the external microphone for that. No. No, never mind. Alright, cool. Anyway. Coming at you. Where am I? Bear with me a moment here. I forgot where this file is at. Hang on a second. Live on the air. Let me know what everybody is up to in the chat. Send me a text message as well, 949-648-7719. Alright. Let me get this sorted out here, just a moment here. So now what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to go into After Effects. I'm going to export this entire stack here, or this project, this comp is what they call it. Add to Adobe Media Encoder. They're forcing you to use the Media Encoder. This is Night Streams at Ed Horta Creative. I am not going to get into the conspiracy theory behind it. A conspiracy as to why they want everybody to funnel their work into the media encoder. Well, just as every single company is allowed to do, they can use information that they get from the projects that you're working on. And that's just what everybody does nowadays. They're trying to reverse engineer the human mind, which is why design is so important, because design has the ability to shape the mind, what the mind is perceiving. And we saw lots of examples of that in recent years. I won't get into that right now. I do digress. Okay, so this is the audio sample. I'm just going to call this thing audio sample 1. And I'm just going to save it into this Night Streams folder. Save it. Alright, great. That's fine. And you know what? Tell you what. I'm going to just go ahead and dump all these. Go like this. Go like this. Go to export. What am I doing? I am exporting the last audio layer that I had in After Effects as its own standalone track. And this is just so that I can make it easier, blend it easier in Audition. Pretty sure there's a bunch of other ways you can do it better. Let me know in the chat. Send me a text message, 949-648-7719, or send me an email, ed@edhorta.com. Here's a trick I want everybody to try out. Google search. Go to google.com. Type in Ed Horta. That's how. Just go Ed Horta. And hit enter. Let me know what comes up. We'll try it out right now. So, back to this here. I'm trying to save the second audio sample, so I'm just going to say audio sample 2. And that's going to be the bottom layer of the audio. Okay, so now I have the settings how I want them in After Effects. And I'm just going to go ahead and render it out. So I'm going to go over to, that should be quick, over to not After Effects, but to Audition. Where are you? Audition. Where the heck is Audition? It is in my laptop screen. I'm going to go ahead and pop it over here. Okay, so I was already working on something. I wanted to take in an audio sample, and I thought it came out well. So, whoa, just, bro, I just want to get into some audio clips here. All right. Bear with me on here. Night streams, audio sample 1, audio sample 2. Saved as MP4s, it's totally fine. Definitely not Hollywood right now. Not selling myself short. Nope, absolutely not. I'm just not deciding to be Hollywood right now. That's all there is to it. Okay. Tell you what, look, this right here. This is what I want. Whoa. What is this? Yeah, sure, that's fine. Chill out, bro. Why is it doing that right now? Alright, cool. Go like this, copy. Alright, and let's take a look over here. Going over to the other screen here. Yeah, I know it says chat. Hang on a second. I am just going to put the screen here right now. Oh, you guys can see what I'm doing here. What if I go to right click, save selection as new clip? That's right. I'll tell you what, hold on a second. Browse night streams, yeah. MP3, sure. Sample 1.1, yes, there you go. Great, okay, so right click, import that MP3 that I just put out, yeah, great. Make this one into, oh, look, yeah, now take this track. Can I do it like that? Is that how it works? Yeah. Okay, cool. Hang on a second. Does anybody know how to use Audition? Let me know in the chat. Send me a text message, 949-648-7719, or send me an email if you are interested in graphic design work. Ladies and gentlemen, I do graphic design. I've been doing design since 1999. Photoshop Deluxe. That was the program that I started using. Did a flyer. Did a flyer first, and the rest was history. Started doing some other design work. I started to design the menus for the wine list menu at my dad's job, and he was a waiter, and the wine list changes daily, and it's sometimes difficult for the waiters to remember the selection day in, day out. So what my dad did is he took it upon himself to create these menus with my help, of course. And we did that for a number of years, and then that responsibility transitioned away. Very simple work. It was just text layout, and in fact, I don't even think I was actually using a formal design software, even though I was totally capable of doing it. I was using some desktop editing software for file documents. I think it was, I want to say it's ClarisWorks, but I don't think it goes that far. Probably ClarisWorks, yeah. I didn't have Microsoft Word. That's back when it was Apple versus Windows. Okay, Let me know in the chat if you know how to merge tracks. I want to add another track over here. Come on, it's very simple. How do I do it? Here it is. Audio sample 2. Here's audio sample 2. Now I want to combine this track. Oh, wait. Oh, preview editor. Oh, what happens if I do this? Wait. This is audio sample 2. I want this on 1. Where can I put it? See, it merges it. I want to merge it. What is this? Let me know in the chat if you know how this works, or send me a text message 949-648-7719. I do not see my text messages blowing up. Where are my viewers? Alright, great. Got 6 playbacks right now. Okay, so totally failing at this task, no problem. But let's keep at it. Keep at it here. Different waveforms. See that here's the option here. Here it says waveform. Here it says multi-track. So you gotta click multi-track. Yeah, sure. Just this is Ed Horta Creative, and what I'm trying to do here is just very quickly put together an audio sample. That's all. Before the show, I just wanted to do something that is not the work that I gotta do. I'm going to be working on some logos, which I will. The sample rate inserted is not matched. Yeah, okay, whatever. Just make it work, bro. Cool, let's see. Okay, cool. So how do I make it sound like it wasn't recorded inside a bathroom? Let me know in the chat or send me a text message, 949-648-7719. I'm going to do my best to use the creative tools at my disclosure, disclosure, can totally utilize this. Okay. Yeah. What if I just I think it's gotta be constant, right? It's gotta be constant. Alright, let's see. That's kind of what I want. Why can't I think I'm supposed to like that. Copy paste. Copy paste. Whoa. Yeah, there was some overlap. Cool. All right. Hey, whatever happened to the music? Did I ever play that? No. There. Whoa, look at that. It's been more than 5 minutes. What is this? Do you want to open the hardware? No, it says. Alright. I just know I'm going to get flagged for copyright already. I mean, it's on YouTube what I'm listening to, so come on. Alright, great. So that's sort of the inspiration, and I'm trying to do the same thing here. Let's see how this sounds. Oh my gosh, it sounds like crap. Any musicians out there want to liaison with me, help me out real quick. Send me a text message, 949-648-7719, or send me an email, ed@edhorta.com. Google search. Let's check this out here. Take a moment. I want to see what happens if you were to Google search Ed Horta. So first of all, I'm going to type in google.com. Okay. Ed Horta. Ed Horta. There's a million Ed Hortas in the world. Ed Horta Creative. Ed Horta. That's me. That's all me right there. I own my own first page in Google. So back in the day, there used to be a lot of Brazilian people that when you try to Google search, you know what people say, Google search your own name, and see what comes up. And well, I've made my own name my business, so that's how I've been doing it. That's how I've been working it out. Uh, haven't been working heavily on advertising. Haven't really been able to execute my business right now. Still trying to recover from this post-pandemic structure. So Ed Horta Creative is still on hiatus. It says it's temporarily closed. So we'll be making that work very soon. In the meantime, here I'm just going to be cutting this audio very roughly, very quickly. I just want to see how it sounds like. Alright, cool. Check this out. Well, what happened? Oh, yeah. Different tools behave different ways. So the playhead should be like right there. I'm just going to go ahead and drop this in like that. Alright. Alright, cool. So check this out. Now, for this one, what if I want to, um, what if I want to soften it? Like, how do I do that? Well, yeah, this over here. And what if I want to go like this? Effects. Let me know in the chat or send me a text message, 9496487719. Let me know what it is that I'm trying to do here, or what is it that I'm trying to achieve. Echo, yeah, how about this? How about if we add some echo here? Yeah, you know what? Everything here makes total sense. Every single knob here. Yeah. How about I go like delay time? Give me a little delay time right there. I think I saw something pop up right now. Give me a moment here. Let me just, oh, look, right channel. Oh, cool. Okay. So you can kind of give it a different feedback there. Echo level. Echo's pretty high. Lock left and right. Echo bounce. Yeah, echo bounce. That's what it's all about, right? Okay. Now, apply this. What does this thing do? Toggle the power state or whatever. Go for it. Did it do it? Let me know in the chat. Send me a text message 949-648-7719. Yeah, some horrible sounding echo there, but yeah, it's there. Alright, let's take a look here. If anybody has sent me, no. Okay, fine. That's all good. That's all good. Let's see what we got here. This is the next one. I'm going to apply a filter to this one. What kind of filter should I apply? Let me know in the chat or send me a text message, 949-648-7719. There's delay and echo. Filters and pitch. Noise reduction, denoise. Dehummer, deverb, automatic click remover, adaptive, no, how about reverb, special, distortion, yeah, distortion, let's see what this does. Time smoothing, sure, let's smooth it up. dB range, sure, whatever. Cool. Do this. Let's see what happens. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm not an audio guy, so. Oh, it's kind of harmonious. Not bad for my very, 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 very first track rip. Okay, now this one, I think I need to reduce the sound. How do I reduce the sound on this one here? Let me know in the chat if you guys know how I am going to do this. 949-648-7719. I think I got it figured out right here. This is the decibels. Decibels are right here. Let's see. Reduce the decibels down to. Oh, yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot, yes? Just how low? I think this one's got to be a little bit more distorted now because it's a little bit too alien-y, so how about special distortion? Yeah, distort this mother. What happens if, I don't know, I guess this is like the proper distortion. Sure, whatever. Time smoothing, kind of, sort of, whatever. Let's do this. Cool. So I just think it needs. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Let me know in the chat 949-648-7719. You can text me or send me an email. Can you guys hear what I got going on here? Check this out. Why don't I try this? Go to audio hardware. Where is the audio hardware? Audio hardware. Okay, output external headphones. Right now it's going over to the headphones. Oh, that's good. That means y'all can hear it. Here, let me go back to my streaming software, which is the OBS. OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a free app. I'm using it for Mac OS X. I got a very severely outdated OS X, but I'm doing that just because I don't want things to break. Now, let me just check in my cell phone here, 949-648-7719, if I have any text messages waiting for me. And I do not. That's all good. Okay. Back to OBS here. OBS. Check this out. Now, if I were to sample the playback. No, I don't think you guys can hear it after all. Right, because why would it go into the audio? How about this? Look, why don't I go into the settings? Where the heck is the settings here? Audio input, external microphone, right? That's what's coming in right here. The next one here is going to be desktop audio. See, like desktop audio? No. Desktop audio 2. External microphone, not supposed to go. But the MacBook Pro, not even that one, because it's in here. But then that's not really a microphone. Then where is it then? It's not disabled. Desktop audio, not really. Well, c'est la vie, however you say it. This is Ed Horta Creative, coming at you Saturday night. It's 10:49 Pacific time. Alright, so here's the deal with all of this. I want to speed it up. Is this what this thing does? Stereo balance. Default speaker input mix. Anyways, what is this effects thing? Distortion. Next one. What is this one? Modulation. Chorus. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Chorus. Yeah. So we're going to do it like that and go for it. Now let's see what happens when we add chorus to it. Yeah, I guess kind of, sort of, maybe not really. Let me know in the chat, 949-648-7719. If you want to send me a text message. Still trying to get out of this post-pandemic funk. As you can see, it is pretty difficult to do. Definitely an advocate for mental health now. Definitely speak to somebody, ask questions, let somebody know how you're feeling. Nobody deserves to feel like crap. So if you're feeling like crap, speak to somebody, Google search how to do that. Tell you what, I'm running out of time. I think I'm good with what I got here. Now let me boot this up and run it for what the intended use was going to be for. So let me just... oh wait, how do I do this? I want to speed this whole thing up. Shut up. Watch. Effects, clip, time. Oh, there's a million ways to do this, I'm sure. Oh. Remix. Look, metronome. Yeah. Ah, crap. Good night. See how the audio is just all jacked up? Let me know in the chat if you can help me out. 949-648-7719. And I'm just going to go ahead and save my work here for now. Alright, great. And I'm going to say, would you like to, yes. As a matter of fact, I do want to save this. Yeah, it's a different customer. Night streams. Crappy audio sample. Crappy audio. Yeah, how about that look sample? Why don't I just write it all messed up? Just like that. Let me know in the chat what you think about that. 949-648-7719. And I am going to chill out for a while. Started this stream up at 10:10. Got to about 10:40, 10:50, 10:53. Wanted to get used to streaming. I am working on accountability, working on being accountable myself here. Muchos gracias. Thank you very much. Have a good evening, everybody, for joining in. And let me do this the way I wanted to do this. Hold on a second. The boat party. Alright, this is what I was envisioning, and hopefully I don't get into the copyright issue here, but I just want everybody to check out the sample. This is Ed at Horta Creative, streaming at you live from Laguna Hills, South Orange County. May 29th, it is 10:54. I am signing off. Ed Horta Creative. Send me an email, ed at Ed Horta, if you need graphic design work. I also do motion graphics and packaging design. Look me up. Google search Ed Horta. You can also send me a text message, 949-648-7719. And I also have a toll-free number. Actually, this is not a toll-free number, but it's a pretty cool number. It's 949-436-7878. Gets you Eddie Do. That's who. If y'all remember the commercial from the 80s, Eddie Do. That's where I got the idea. That's where I got the number. Shoot me a text, 949-648-7719. I am all about work. I am all about the studio. So I am just starting out. I am working on getting some momentum going. Working through this post-pandemic environment. Getting into the home studio. Something that I never really built up, but I think I'm going to have to build it up a little bit more. Just so I can stream. I was unable to get a job interview unless I had 200 followers on my account. That's the thing about creative, is that you have to be able to prove that you're able to have the creative pool if you want to have that type of job. So it was very difficult for me. Of course, I was able to achieve that, and I did so a couple times. In fact, that was back in the pandemic era, and that's all since been over, so I'm no longer doing that anymore. 949-648-7719 is my cell number. You can send me an email as well, ed at edhorta.com. I am signing off. This is Saturday night. I want to chill out. This is the self-care part. I do know that I have some jobs that I have to get done. All my customers who have been patient with me, thank you very much. I do appreciate that, and I will get to your work. I promise I will. Just working on getting through some pretty major life shifts, life changes. So bear with me. Thank you very much, everybody. This is Ed.